Okay, so there's our bunch of shitty, crappy angle line that we're going to use for our hydraulic press. Press the button yet. Alright, gabble away.
Please do not try this at home.
Can be done.
Can be done, not safely.
It's doing pretty good.
Yeah.
Can I flip it over?
Yeah, it's maximum. Straight on. Give you some oil. Slip it all up here.
There we have it, full cut size. Ready for the next step, welding. Woohoo, what fun. All drilled up, ready to weld on.
Alright, so we've put our angle line pieces together and just put them in position and tack them, so now we're just about to weld it up. So we cut out all the plates. So we've got these two plates, which will locate this plate in the top. That'll fit in there once we weld it all up, bolted through, held in with bolts. Then we got this plate, which will go in here, which the jack will be sitting on. And then we've got the bottom plate, which is there, go straight across.
That's getting bolted on.
Yep, bolted onto there with the piece welded to it. So once we get it happening, I'll show you again so it'll be a little bit clearer. Strapping.
Okay. We've got our little offcuts in there, which we're going to weld in. But we've drilled, because we drilled everything, we put them. We found centre on that beam there, and then we found centre on the other beam. That's why we lined them both up, and that's why we put the plates together like so. Alright, you're all good now?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay, as you can see, all in. Just need to weld it on.
Put in those. We're going to be running those up and down, so just going to weld those up.
couple of bits of plate up, which we're going to weld some links on to go in between. That's for our springs to attach to. Cut these through. Alright, there's one. I know, they're always awkward.
Excellent, looking good. Alright, we're just waiting on the 2 links to hold the springs. Shit, fuck.
This is why welding with magnets is shit.
Thank fuck for that.
Now listen to the difference. Beautiful! So these are our rings that we're putting on for the springs. So we've done the bottom 2, just doing the top ones now. Okay. So we found centre on this plate, and then we found centre on that plate, and we've just aligned the 2 together. And we're going to weld this on, both sides. And that's where our jack's going to sit. These are the ones we put up top. That's why we're going to bolt this plate, which is going to get welded to the jack. Okay. And then we got our spring, where our spring's going to be attached to. And then we got to drill this out yet for the other plate, which is going to have the ram post attached to it. Looking good. Plate all welded.
Plug in. Yep.
intact?
Yeah, intact. Front not so much, but either side, yeah. Oh, fucking bird shit on it. Would you believe it? Bird shit on it, right there.